Hello friends, I am Professor Shivaji Walke. In last session of ABM 357, we have discussed about introductory part of strategic management. In this session, we are going to discuss about strategic management process. Now, we already know about strategic management. What is strategic management? It is a set of decisions or actions which are formulated, implemented and evaluated for achieving long-term objectives of organizations. Okay, otherwise the strategic management which are decided by top management for long-term directions or for long-term achievement of organizational objectives. Okay, now process. How this strategic management process strategies are formulated, implemented and evaluated in any particular organizations. So let's begin with strategic management process. The strategic management process is an ongoing process, 4 steps, which defines the way an organization make its strategy to achieve its goals. It is an ongoing process, means it is a continuous process which consists 4 steps and that define way an organization to make is to achieve its goals or to achieve its long-term objectives. Okay, that 4 steps are establishment of strategic intent, then formulation of strategies, implementation of strategies, strategic evaluations and strategic controls. So these are the 4 steps. Then let's begin with process. This diagram. Strategic intent. Strategic intent means what? Defining intention of your organization or deciding what is your organizations. Okay, under that you need to define your vision, then missions and objectives, business definitions, business model, then goals of your organizations, means what is your actually organizations. Then strategic formulations. Based on your vision, mission, objectives, you are going to formulate the strategies. But before that, you need to some ground studies. Okay, for that purpose, we are going to do this SWOT analysis. SWOT means what? Strength, weakness and opportunities. Okay, which lies in external and internal business environment. Based on that, we are going to form corporate level strategies for which are in top of the pyramid, then business level at the middle, and last one functional level strategies, and deciding the strategic plan to implement to this different level of strategies in organizations. Then in third steps, implementation of strategy or strategic implementations. Under that, first one, deciding the organizations or establishing organizations. Then procedures. Procedure means what? Legal frameworks, how your organization going to conduct. Then resource allocations, allocating the different kind of resources to your business for operating your business more effectively. Then structural, deciding the structure of your organizations. And behavioral of your organization, means your organization's politics, then your organization ethics, then personal values and other things. Okay, then in last steps, strategic evaluations, that we can say it is an assessment phase, how our this strategies or how is we did correct kind of formulation of strategies, then is we implemented that strategies in proper ways, or we have proper directions or proper intention of your organizations. Okay, so it does the evaluation or assessment of before, means it gives feedback to this ones, then this to this and this to this. Okay, so it is a process also going this in this directions and this directions also. And then last one, strategic controls. Okay, based on our assessment, we are going to use feedback to again each of the department, mean for strategic intent also, then for strategic formulations and strategic implementations. Okay, then Otherwise, this one is a good model. Okay, comprehensive model of strategic management process. First one, strategic intent, then strategic formulations. Under that, environmental appraisals and organizational appraisals. That is external appraisal and internal appraisals. Okay, which gives SWOT analysis. Based on the SWOT analysis, we are going to formulate corporate level strategies, business level strategies, functional level strategies, and strategic analysis and strategic choice. Based on this, in the different levels, we are going to form different strategies. So we have alternative options. Okay, and within which we have to choice. Then strategic plan for implementing these strategies. Then strategic implementations. Under that, project deciding organizations. Then procedure, legal frameworks, allocation of resources means giving the powers or giving the resources to a particular department or particular organizations. Then behavioral means what? Politics, ethics, then functionals and operationals. Then last one, assessment, strategic evaluation or strategic assessment. Okay, it evaluate all the process. Is there is any fault or if there is any loopholes within this all process. Then last one, strategic controls, helps to give feedback to each sectors or each steps regarding the problems. Then we'll see one by one. Establishment of strategic intent. The first phase consists of establishing strategic intent for the organizations. Okay, it is an first phase which is defined strategic intent or strategic intentions of your organizations. Strategic intent is the hierarchy of the objective that an organization set for itself. These intentions which are set in this organization hierarchy at different level. Each levels of organizations have different intentions. Okay, then defining vision, mission, business definition, business model and objective of your organizations. Okay, and it make clear what an organization stand for. Then now what is vision? Vision which serves the purpose of starting what an organization wishes to achieve in long runs. Okay, in long run phase what your organization want to achieve, and while mission is what is an organization and why it is an exist. Okay, suppose during this 20 years of period from the starting of organizations, you want to achieve revenue up to years. So this is your mission, vision. It is an long runs. Okay, so during this 20 years, okay, after every 1 years, where you want to be here? Okay, it is your mission. Okay, so mission is an short runs and vision is an long run. Business definitions explain the business of organizations in terms of customer need, customer groups and alternative technology. Business definition means what is your actually activities, means under that what your customer actually wants and who are your customers and how you are going to satisfy their customers needs and by using alternative technology or anything else. Then objectives. Objective is what is to be achieved in given period of time or in specific period of time. Now most of the time students get confused with missions and visions. Okay, what is it? Vision? It is it focus on tomorrow and what organization want to become in future or in tomorrow's. And mission is it is focus on today. Objectives is what is to be achieved in given period of time or in a specific times. But in case of goals, there is an not given a given period of times, means that are not specific. These objectives are specifics. Okay. Under this strategic intent, we have seen what is strategic intent. It is as simply defined what is your an organizations, or it simply gives intention of your organizations. Okay, and which decided in various hierarchy level of your organizations. Its elements consist vision, the mission, business definitions, the business model, objective and goals. Okay, then vision. What is the vision? It is an purpose which are going to achieve in long terms. And mission, it is an what is your organizations and why it is exist in short terms. Okay. Then business definitions. Business definition means what? Deciding your business models or business, then deciding your customer needs, then who is your customer groups and how you are going to satisfy that customers needs. Then objective is an for given period of times, and it is an measurable and specifics, but goals are not measurable and not specific. Okay, this is about strategic intent. Then next steps within the strategic management process, the formulation of strategies. Formulation of strategies concerned with devising of strategies or few strategies. Okay, deciding the strategies or going to formulate the strategies in this phase. Okay, this phase is also called as strategic planning phase. Then analytical phase, in which strategies manpower who is responsible for strategic management in the organizations think, analyze and plan strategies. Okay, in this formulation steps, this is an analytical phase. Analytical phase means what? Deciding which one is good and which one is bad. In this phase, you are going to think about the strategies, analyze about the strategies and strategic plans, deciding the strategic plans. Okay, then the element of formulation of strategies are environmental and organizational appraisal, that is external analysis and internal analysis of organizations, which defines opportunities and threats by this external environment and strength and weaknesses through organizational or internal analysis of organization. Based on this SWOT analysis, based on this internal and external analysis, we are going to formulate the strategies at various hierarchy levels. Okay, at corporate levels, business levels and functional levels. Okay, then strategic alternatives and choice are required for evaluation of alternative strategies. Out of many possible options, choosing the most appropriate strategies or strategies. Okay, in this strategic alternatives, under this various hierarchy level, we are going to form the various strategies, means more than one strategies. Okay, and within the strategies means which strategy is good and which strategy is not good. Okay, you are going to decide, and based on that one you are going to choose the strategies as per your requirement. Okay, this about the strategic formulations. This remaining two steps we will go take in next lectures. Now what we learned today. ओके, आपण काय शिकलो आज? स्ट्रॅटेजिक मॅनेजमेंट प्रोसेस. त्या स्ट्रॅटेजिक मॅनेजमेंट प्रोसेसमधल्या पहिल्या दोन स्टेप्स. ओके, पहिल्या दोन स्टेप्स कोणत्या आहेत? स्ट्रॅटेजिक इंटेंट. इंटेंट म्हणजे काय? इंटेन्शन ऑफ युअर ऑर्गनायझेशन्स ऑर डिफाईन व्हॉट इज युअर ऑर्गनायझेशन्स. ओके, त्याच्यामध्ये काय तुम्हाला डिफाईन करायचं आहे? पहिलं विजन, इट इज ॲन लॉंग टर्म ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह ऑर लॉंग टर्म पर्पज. देन मिशन, शॉर्ट टर्म्स पर्पज ऑफ युअर ऑर्गनायझेशन. देन बिझनेस डेफिनेशन, त्याच्यामध्ये काय? व्हॉट इज युअर कस्टमर्स. देन व्हॉट आर द नीड ऑफ द युअर कस्टमर्स. कस्टमरचे तुमचं कस्टमर कोण आहे, तुमच्या कस्टमरला काय पाहिजे आणि कशी तुम्ही कस्टमरची नीड सॅटिस्फाय करणार आहेत. ओके, त्याच्यानंतर काय ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह म्हणजे काय, इट इज ॲन गिवन इन स्पेसिफिक पिरियड ऑफ टाईम्स. म्हणजे हे काय येतं, हे मिजरेबल येतं, पण गोल मिजरेबल नाहीत. ओके, जसं आपण अर्लियर बोललो होतो, कंपनी वॉन्ट्स टू इन्क्रीज इट्स प्रॉफिट, इट इज ॲन गोल, बट कंपनी वॉन्ट्स टू इन्क्रीज इट्स प्रॉफिट बाय 20%, इट इज ॲन ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह. ओके, देन स्ट्रॅटेजिक फॉर्म्युलेशनमध्ये काय येतं, त्याच्यामध्ये इन्व्हायरमेंटल अप्रायझल. इन्व्हायरमेंटल म्हणजे काय, एक्सटर्नल, जे कंपनीच्या हातामध्ये नाहीत, म्हणजे ते कोणते कंपनीच्या ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज आणि थ्रेट्स, त्याच्यावरती कंपनीचा काही कंट्रोल नाही. ओके, त्याच्यानंतर ऑर्गनायझेशनल अप्रायझल्स म्हणजे काय, इंटरनल विदिन कंपनी. मग त्याच्यामध्ये त्यांचं डिसाइडिंग द रिसोर्सेस असू द्या, किंवा ह्युमन रिसोर्सेस असू द्या, किंवा कॅपिटलचे रिलेटेड काही असू द्या. ओके, किंवा त्यांचे प्रोसेस विदिन जी कंपनी असेल ते काय, त्यांनी काय करायचं, मग ह्याचं स्वॉट ॲनालिसिस घ्यायचं, आणि त्या स्वॉट ॲनालिसिसच्या बेसिसवरती ह्या ऑर्गनायझेशनची जी हायरची आहे, ओके, किंवा डिफरंट लेवलच्या स्ट्रॅटेजी बनवायच्यात. म्हणजे त्याच्यात काय, कॉर्पोरेट लेवल ती कुठं असते, ॲट द म्हणजे टॉप मॅनेजमेंट डिसाईड करतं. ओके, त्याच्यानंतर काय, बिझनेस लेवल्स, ओके, जी मिडल लेवल मॅनेजमेंटला असते, अँड लास्ट वन फंक्शनल लेवल्स. आता ह्या तिन्ही सगळ्या स्ट्रॅटेजीज तयार केल्या, पण आता स्ट्रॅटेजी प्रत्येक वेळेस काय करणार, म्हणजे 2-4 आपल्याला अल्टरनेटिव्ह ऑप्शन असणार. मग अशा वेळेस काय करणार आपण, याच्यापैकी कोणती स्ट्रॅटेजी घ्यायची, किंवा सगळ्या इम्प्लिमेंट करायच्या, किंवा सगळ्या जरी इम्प्लिमेंट करायच्या असल्या तर याचा फ्लो कसा असला पाहिजे, म्हणजे कोणती आधी कोणती नंतर, किंवा किती स्पेसिफिक टायमानंतर ही करायचं आहे. ओके, हे झालं काय, स्ट्रॅटेजिक चॉईसेस किंवा स्ट्रॅटेजिक ॲनालिसिस चॉईसेस. ओके, आता स्ट्रॅटेजिक प्लॅन. आता ह्या स्ट्रॅटेजी फॉर्म्युलेट झाल्यात, पण ह्या स्ट्रॅटेजी पुन्हा इम्प्लिमेंट कसं करायच्या, हे आज आपण आजच्या लेक्चरमध्ये पाहिलेलं आहे. ओके, आय होप तुम्हाला समजलं असेल. नसेल समजलं तर लेट मी नो, प्लीज आस्क मी.